Hi, guys and girls. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. I still have 3 more minutes for my... Nasabi mo? Sige, pakisabi dagdagan na lang. Pakisabi dagdagan na lang. Dagdagan na lang niya, ha? Thank you. Hi. Saan ka na? Wala. Oh my gosh, where are you? Ayun. Hi. Thank you, ah. I'm gonna watch Snow White. I'm curious if the story is different from the cartoon series that they have. How I wish that there's a twist for this one. And I want Gal Gadot for portraying the role of Maleficent. But I think she's very... She looks so kind in here in Snow White compared to Maleficent. Compared to who's this? Oh gosh, Angelina Jolie. Wherein, just on her eyes, she looks so fierce and some kind of a Cruella de Vil. Anyway, here we are. Oh my gosh, how many more minutes? It's, oh my god, 55. Please don't start it yet, okay? Pwede? Snow White.
Snow White. For one,
5:55.
Isa lang.
Yes. Okay, eye level.
Dito na lang kayo, sir. Sa
Okay, sige.
F.
Can you make it a sponsor na lang?
300 na.
Pwede yung sponsor? Hindi talaga makahirit, ha?
Thank you.
So, come over here, guys and gals. Let's have some movie night out.
Cinema 9, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's Cinema 9. How I wish they are not starting yet. Gosh, it's some kind of a far. Snow White, Snow White. Don't start it yet, okay? Here we are. Here we are. Few more walks before we are here. Thanks be the Lord. Snow White. Nag-start na? Oh my gosh! They don't have any grace period. Oh gosh. It's starting. Bye for now.